Stop what you're doing and put the Disney app down.
Why?
If you're about to use your lightning lane on the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular, you're doing Hollywood Studios completely wrong. Look, this show is an absolute classic. It's been here since 1989. You've got a 400-pound boulder, insane acrobatics, and real explosions. But if you don't know when to go, where to sit, and what happens when it rains, you're gonna waste your vacation time. Welcome back to American Travel Fun. Today, I'm giving you the no BS guide to hacking the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular, including the secret seating strategy that will save you from a 2,000-person traffic jam. All right, hack number one, the lightning lane trap. People panic at Hollywood Studios because the ride lines are so long, so they start booking lightning lanes for everything. Do not do it for this show. Unless you're visiting on Christmas Day, you can literally walk into the standby line 15 to 20 minutes before showtime and get a fantastic seat. Save your premium lightning lane picks for the rides that will actually punish you, like Slinky Dog Dash or Tower of Terror. Honestly, figuring out what to book and when to ride it is a nightmare. That is exactly why we built the Disney World Itinerary Planner. It is a completely free, interactive drag-and-drop calendar right on our website. You just pick your categories like Magic Kingdom, dining, or nap time, choose your colors, and drag your magic right onto your daily schedule. You can even save it, share it, or print a PDF to take with you. No signups, no BS. Just go to AmericanTravel.fun and click the trip builder. Hack number two is all about the seats and the snacks. Because this is an open-air amphitheater, cast members actually let you bring food and drinks inside. This is your golden opportunity. Hit the 12 p.m. or 1:15 p.m. showtime, the absolute hottest, most miserable part of the Florida day. Grab some churros, a Mickey pretzel, and an ice-cold soda and eat your lunch in the glorious shade while you watch things blow up. But where should you sit? Adrenaline junkies. Sit in the front 5 rows. When that airplane explodes in the finale, you will literally feel a massive wave of heat hit your face. Photographers, sit directly in the middle. You get a perfect panoramic view of the 100-ton moving sets, the escape route. Sit in the back row, far left aisle. When the show ends, 2,000 people are going to flood out and rush towards Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. If you sit here, you beat the wave and hit the Falcon before they even leave the theater. Now, let's talk about the rain paradox. You might think, oh, it's raining, let's go watch Indiana Jones because the audience is covered by a massive roof. Wrong. The audience is covered, but the stage is wide open to the sky. If it rains, that stage gets incredibly slippery. Disney will cut the tumbling routines, scale back the fights, or just cancel the show entirely for the safety of the stunt actors. Pro tip, if you're visiting in the summer, hit the morning show times before the 3 p.m. thunderstorms roll in. Also, parents, a quick reality check. Is this show scary for kids visually? No, but it is incredibly loud. There are booming, blank-firing prop guns and massive concussive blasts. If you have a noise-sensitive toddler, they will cry. If you aren't sure what to bring to the parks to handle this stuff, use our free Smart Park Bag and Packing List tool on the website. It has 3 awesome modes. You can grab a pre-made quick list, mix and match different categories, or use the Bag Builder quiz where you answer 4 quick questions about your trip. It instantly generates a custom interactive checklist right on your screen. You can check items off, click Update to remove what you've already packed, and print or download a PDF so you don't forget the noise-canceling headphones for the little ones. Finally, I have to break some hearts. People constantly ask me, how do I get picked from the audience to be an extra in the show? Real talk, you can't anymore. After the pandemic, Disney permanently retired the audience participation segment. So don't go in expecting to put on a robe and pretend to get beat up in the Cairo market. The good news? The show is now 100% professional stunt actors, which means the pacing is way faster and the action hits a lot harder. And before we wrap up, a quick bonus secret. Right outside the theater, look for the well with the rope that says, "Warning, do not pull." Go ahead and pull it and listen closely. I won't spoil what happens, but trust me, it's hilarious. The Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular is an absolute masterpiece of practical effects, and it is 100% worth 30 minutes of your Disney day. But hey, you don't have to take my word for it. I actually took my footage and put together a fast-paced 10-minute highlight reel of the absolute best moments from the show. It's got the explosions and the biggest stunts in beautiful high definition with 0 talking or interruptions from me. If you want to skip right to the good stuff and see the top moments for yourself, click the video right here on the screen. I think using a lightning lane on Indy is a waste, but what do you think is the absolute worst ride to waste a lightning lane on? Let's argue about it in the comments below. If these tips saved you some time, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and head over to AmericanTravel.fun for all our free Disney planning tools. Thanks for watching, and as always, have fun, guys.